Hey there! Welcome back to Best Product. Today we are taking a look at the best mini electric screwdriver set that makes small repairs fast, easy, and much more precise. If you work with tiny screws and delicate devices, this compact tool could be a game changer. Let's get started. This is the ProTap E1 Mini Electric Screwdriver Set. ProTap designed this tool to handle detailed tasks on small electronics and precision items. Inside the box, you get a 26-in-1 set. That includes 25 different S2 alloy steel bits, the electric screwdriver handle, and a Type-C charging cable. With so many bit options, the ProTap E1 Mini Electric Screwdriver Set is ready for tablet computers, glasses, jewelry, toys, models, drones, and other delicate devices. The bits are made from hardened alloy steel, which means they are strong and built to last. They are also magnetic. This helps the screws stay attached to the bit, making your work smoother and less frustrating. The magnetic design also keeps everything organized and easy to carry. Plus, the bits resist rust and corrosion, so they stay in good condition over time. Now let's talk about performance. The ProTap E1 Mini Electric Screwdriver Set offers two operation modes. In automatic mode, it provides a torque range of 0.25 to 0.35 Newton meters. This gives you gentle and controlled power for delicate screws. In manual mode, it can reach up to 3 Newton meters. That extra strength is helpful when you need more force. It also runs at a high speed of 210 revolutions per minute, which makes the process quick and efficient without losing stability. The cordless design makes it even more convenient. It runs on a 300 mAh rechargeable battery, and on a full charge, it can handle around 380 screws. That is impressive for such a compact tool. The Type-C charging port allows faster and more convenient charging, so you spend less time waiting and more time working. The handle is designed with comfort in mind. It has a pen-shaped body with a smooth arc that fits naturally in your hand. The space gray aluminum surface feels premium and resists sweat, corrosion, and oxidation. There is also an integrated button for forward and reverse rotation. With a simple click, you can tighten or loosen screws easily. To keep everything neat, the ProTap E1 Mini Electric Screwdriver Set comes with a magnetic storage case. The bits stay organized and easy to access, so you do not waste time searching for the right one. Small tool, big precision. Check the price link in the description, and do not forget to like and subscribe to Best Product for more smart tools and gadgets. See you in the next video.